Hey guys, today I'm going to be showing you how I created this look inspired by WWE Superstar Liv Morgan. Before we dive into the tutorial, be sure to like, share, subscribe, and comment, and let me know what superstars you'd like to see more looks inspired by. This look was based off of this post by Liv Morgan. It's not exactly the same, but this was the inspiration for this makeup tutorial. This one was really fun and definitely out of my comfort zone. All right, we're gonna see how this goes. Let's prep our eyes. I'm gonna use my Nars Soft Matte Complete Concealer. I wanna use this base because it's gonna even out the skin tone on my eyelids so that those bright colors pop. Makes the eyeshadows look a little more vibrant. Obsessed with this concealer, it's so nice. It warms up really well on the fingers. I want to start on doing the blue eye first because I feel like that's going to be more difficult. I'm just going to take some regular powder. This is the Maybelline Fit Me powder. And I'm going to make sure those creases are gone on my lids because I've been talking. And I'm going to set that with a little bit of just regular powder. I don't have a neutral eyeshadow in front of me at the moment, so you can use whatever powder you have or a neutral eyeshadow. Now let's start on the crease, and I think I'm going to take this gray tone from Devinah Cosmetics, if I can get it out of my Z palette here. This is the shade Ethereal. I think it's going to look really nice with the blue. Hopefully. You guys will know at this point, or you'll know already because you'll have seen the look. Sometimes with looks like these, I'll do them ahead of time so that I'll know whether or not it's going to come out right, but we're just experimenting today and hoping that the look turns out the way I want it to. And it might not, and that's okay. That's what makeup's all about. So that's down. So I'm going to go on the other side and do an opposite color. This one is Anastasia from Devinah. I'm just mimicking the same thing on the other side. Going smoothly so far. It's just the beginning. And then I'm going to take the same shade, this is where it might get tricky, on both eyes to try to pair them together slightly. I'm going to put Adorn in my crease. I think this will actually pair well with a more warm tone and a cool tone. Just put that deeper in the crease. And while I'm doing this look, I'm not looking at my reference picture. I'm just, if I look at it too much, I'll judge what mine ends up looking like far too much. So we're just kind of winging it. This is doing exactly what I was hoping it would, and it's smoking out the crease. All of her looks, no matter what color she's using, is very smoky. I think mine's going to be a little bit more of a sunset. I can't talk in my videos lately. A sunset type of effect instead of just the straight up red. There's definitely more of a difference with these two shades. I have a shade in here. It's not quite a matte though, but it may be able to work. It's the shade by Felicia. I'm going to try to put a little bit of that in the crease and we'll see what happens. Warm it up some. See what happens. Oh yeah. I think I'm going to put on the lid shades and see where we're at that point. Alright, so the blue shade that I'm going to use is a little bit lighter than what she has on in the photo. It's Palladin, but I absolutely love this color. It's so pretty. Can I spray my spray? There we go. I don't want to spray it on my electronics. Oh, hello. So pretty. Oh my goodness. It's such a nice blue. Very, very pretty. And then for the red color, I'm going to use the shade Homicide. I missed. There we go. See how this is turning out. What another gorgeous shade. This is more my jam right here. Doing a combination of patting and sweeping motions here. I think I do want to kind of make this a little more smoky on both sides. Just because her looks are always really smoked out. I am going to wear black eyeliner on my lower lash line, so that'll help. We're going to put on some fake lashes. Going back in with the fluffy brush and blending some more. And then I'm gonna go in with another coat, I think, of both of those shades. I'm gonna go back into that medium brown shade that I used on both eyes. And I'm gonna swipe it in the outer corner. I'm not gonna do the inner corners or under the brow bone just yet because I am going to use a glitter, and we'll do that after I finish up the eyes. But I am going to wipe off the edges a little bit with a makeup wipe, put the rest of my face makeup on, and then we'll jump back into finishing off the look. All right guys, I'm back. I've got my base makeup on so we can dive back into the eyes. For the lower lash line, I'm gonna take this Colourpop eyeliner. This is in the shade Swerve. And we're just gonna make the lash line real smoky. I'm gonna take a flat top brush and just smudge that out a bit. Real cute like. I'm gonna go back into some of the eyeshadow shades. And I'm gonna directly, I'm gonna take that gray shade on the blue side and run it right underneath. I'm gonna take a little bit of that yellow under this side here. Probably won't really show. Take the blue shade and just smudge it underneath the bottom. And then same on the other side with the red. Oops, almost dipped it in the wrong color. I'm gonna put a little sparkle because it can't be a fun WWE look without any sparkle. So I grabbed these two sparkly shades from Stila. And I grabbed Yellowtails for the red side, and I grabbed Lilac Legend for the other side. I think they have a blue version of this, but I don't own that one. And these are just sparkly shadows. And I'm gonna put that right here. She did have some gold in her inner corner on that photo that I was looking at. So I'm gonna take another brush and kind of blend that out and do the same thing. Actually, let's put a little under the brow to add some more sparkle to the look here. We're gonna go ahead and take the other shade on the other side. I think I'm just gonna go in right with the brush this time. Oh, so good, so good. This is what this needed. And I think I might use this for the diamond part as well. It wasn't exactly what I was thinking, but I'm getting inspired by this. Great, so that might actually solve my gemstone issue because I wasn't sure how I was gonna add those on. I had a glitter glue out, but I just grabbed these. They're from a nail polish brand, Dashing Diva. And I thought these little gems that are supposed to be for nail art would look good for the look here. I think what I'm gonna do is let's try the gold side first. Take some of this glitter and bring it down like the teardrop thing that she does. A little glitter tear going down. We'll have it come from the corner here. Oh, they're already kind of sticky. That's perfect. It's kind of large. Are those the two I want to use? Maybe I'll get rid of this one. I think I like the smaller one a little better. If I can place it right. Might need more glitter though. Let's try the other side. We're just going with the flow with this. I think the smaller gemstone does look a little bit better. We'll grab the blue. Ooh, that was a lot of blue. Lot of blue, lot of blue. Could just do the sparkly eyeshadow too. Yeah, I might redo these gems. Here we go. Using the actual applicator. This has been really fun to figure out. Got that tear, and then Make this one a little bit thicker, I think. Ah, oh no, it lost its stickiness. I'm gonna put a little glitter glue onto this sticker here and hope that that helps it adhere. This one down here. Yeah. Cool. That's what we're gonna stick with. I'll take the other triangle. Oh no, what did I drop? Hopefully this other eye goes a lot quicker with putting these gems on, because I know where they're going now. Oh, that stuck so much better. My fat thumbs are making this difficult. I'm almost wondering if I should put a little blue eyeshadow and a little red, or if I just need to add more of the glitter. But overall, I think it's looking okay, considering this is the first time I've ever done a look like this. I'm gonna take a tiny bit of the blue and bring it down right here. I think that's helping. And then I'll add a little bit of the red to the golden. Oh Lord, what did I do? Oh no. Okay, let's fix this. There we go. Is it ideally what I wanted? Maybe not. However, it could look much worse. All right, I'm gonna attempt to put on some fake eyelashes and I will be right back. All right guys, so my eyes always water when I try to put fake eyelashes on. So I added a little bit more of the black eyeliner to my waterline. But oh my goodness, I mean, I suck at putting lashes on, but I just tried this lash glue liner from Kiss Lashes. I believe it's Kiss Lashes. Lash glue liner, yeah, Kiss Lashes. And it was so easy to put them on. Like, they're not perfect. I still need to practice. But oh my goodness, I'm gonna be trying this a lot more because I suck. I suck at putting lashes on. Like, it's not easy for me. And it took me no time at all. And obviously, again, not perfect, but I put on my Ardell 811s and you guys know I love these if you've watched me for a while. The fact that this looks a little different depending on which way you're facing the light, I'm obsessed. Okay, so the last thing we need to do is lips, and I wasn't going to include this in the tutorial, but I've got it in front of me and I figured I'd put it on. I'm using the Kokie Retractable Lip Liner in Nude. Where's my mirror? I'm so excited. This turned out way better than I was expecting. All right. And of course we're doing a nude lip because these eyes are fierce. I'm going to use this Nars lipstick that I talked about in a video not too long ago. And, oh yeah. Wow, those two pair well together. Take my Fenty gloss. This is in Fenty Glow. And, yeah. Oh yeah. Oh, I didn't put any mascara on my lower lashes. Who am I? I swear I'm always forgetting mascara. And when I wear a mask at work, I don't bother putting mascara on my lower lashes because it just melts and gets on my face. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you liked this tutorial. It was kind of a learn as I go sort of tutorial. I do come out with new videos every Sunday, so be sure to like, share, subscribe, and comment. And I will see you next week. Bye everyone.